Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about various online businesses you can do, especially if you are in Nigeria. Alright, wait for it. Into all that, let me tell you a little about myself. It's an interesting story. So stay. I actually studied biology in school, but when I graduated, I became interested in information technology. I started with the basics, Microsoft Word, CorelDRAW. Then I went for youth service and I learned HTML and CSS. The good thing was that my interest in IT helped me where I served, because I served as a computer teacher in a school. And then when I graduated, I got a job as an IT manager in a firm. But then I left all that to go get a master's degree, which was my dream at that time. But when I finished with the master's, I realized I was not really interested in all this
crazy career stuff.
So I decided to take a teaching job and then do online businesses. That's how I started trying all this stuff I teach here on my own. So I'm going to tell you 10 businesses you can do online. What I've learned so far as regards online businesses is that, one, you have to focus on maybe one or two if you really want to make money from it. And then you have to be consistent, really consistent. And thirdly, it takes time. So you're still going to need your 9-to-5 job for a while. So I have 10 things on my list, and out of these 10, I'm sure I've tried at least 7. I'm here to tell you what I've tried and how it works. Please, I am going to be explaining these things in very simple terms. Pardon me. So number 1 on my list is freelancing on freelance platforms. Okay, when you have a job, you go every day, they own your time and everything. But when you are a freelancer, no one owns you, you belong to nobody, but you are for everybody. That kind of stuff. As a freelancer, you get to work for different businesses, different individuals, and they pay you and you move on with your life. You can start with signing up with some freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork. Even on Gigi, you sell your skills. Like, just go to these places and check out, see what people are looking for. Platforms like Upwork will show you what people are looking for. Some people are looking for who will design a website for them, who will edit their website, stuff like that. So don't say you don't know anything. There must be something you are good at. If you don't know anything, then go and learn a skill. Number 2 on my list is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you sign up to sell other people's products using a link. So when people buy with your link, you get paid a commission. As simple as that. There are a lot of affiliate marketing programs. You can check them online. But if you're in Nigeria and you want to be a Konga affiliate, check the link in my description below. Number 3 on my list is e-commerce. Set up an online shop. You can still use Gigi. You can actually get a shop on Jumia, Konga. You can sell on social media, choose a product, and then start selling. That's what e-commerce is all about. Number 4 on my list is blogging. Anytime you type a question on Google, most of the times the answers you see are from people's blogs. So you can actually start your own blog, choose a niche, and then start writing if you're good with that. And with a blog too, it is easy to attach your affiliate links, sell your own products, and stuff like that. Number 5 on my list is YouTube. You can make money from YouTube. You know people make money from YouTube, right? When you get monetized, you start making money from AdSense. Even before then, you can still promote your products and services and get more customers through your YouTube videos. Number 6 on my list is Amazon Kindle publishing. It is very easy to write these days. Everything you need, you can even do it on your mobile phone. Like, you can write an ebook on your mobile phone, then upload it to Amazon Kindle Publishing and start selling. Just like that. Just like that, you will become a published author. Hey. Number 7 on my list is starting a podcast. If you have an idea that you think people will be interested in and you can talk very well, just start a podcast. You must not be the one doing all the talking. You can have a co-host. My next video is going to be about that. So just check it out to see how to start a podcast. Number 8 on my list is digital marketing. You can offer digital marketing services. I remember the first time I became interested in learning digital marketing. I checked courses online and the prices were like crazy. The prices were just so much. But right now, you can learn digital marketing free of charge, like without spending a dime. You even get a certificate. Just go to Google and type Google Digital Garage. Then learn, because marketing is key when it comes to online businesses. You may have wonderful products, services, but if you don't know how to market it, you won't sell. Learn digital marketing and then search for people that are in need of your services. Number 9 on my list is creating an online course. You can create an online course from the comfort of your home, just with your camera, your ring light, and the knowledge you already have. Create a course and upload it on Seller, any other platform of your choice. 10 on my list, the last but not the least, is what we call drop shipping. Drop shipping is when you set up an online shop, you promote and market a certain product, and then people order for it. Dropshipping is very nice because you don't have to buy products and you don't have to worry about storage. You just sign up with a manufacturer, promote the product on your online shop, fix your own price. Then when people make an order, the manufacturer will ship it at your own price, and at the end of the day, you get your money. But remember what I said at the beginning, that one thing about online business is that you have to focus on, one or two at the beginning. Give it time and be consistent. Anyone you choose, learn more about it and be consistent with it. With time, it will start paying. If you watched to the very end, drop a comment. Tell me the business you're going to start out of these 10. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and stay tuned, because I'm going to take all these things one by one and explain it better for you. Just like makeup stuff, like I'm going to buy this brother and finally I bought it and I'm so excited.